Hey crafters! Well, it is high time that we did a vintage inspired outfit project here on the channel, and I think since it is spooky, costumey season, this is the perfect time to show you a project that's actually been in the works since this summer. I did some thrift shopping with my sister and my parents. They were very good sports. And while we were shopping, my sister found this amazing vintage dress for me. It's red, it's got a vintage print fabric, but it's actually not as old as it looks. It was from the 1980s, but it looks a lot like dresses from the 40s. Obviously, some structural differences, design differences, but I was thinking with the right vintage accessories, I could take that 1980s dress and turn it into a 1940s really vintage look. So while I had those ideas rolling around in my brain, I sent my sister a dress that I had thrifted. You might remember earlier in the spring, during one of my spring thrift haul videos, I found a light blue, maybe silk, vintage looking dress. Definitely from the 80s, but it looked very 1940s or late 1930s. It had cute cap sleeves, it had little pleats down the front, it had a belt. It was adorable, but it looked uniquely terrible on me. So I sent it to my sister, and it looked fantastic on her. So here we are. We have two vintage dresses. 1980s does 1940s. And when my sister came to visit me, she was a really good sport, and she agreed to put together some 1940s inspired outfits with me and do a little photo shoot. Needless to say, we had a lot of fun, and we took a really long time to get ready. We also may have scared a few people out there in the world, and definitely amused many as well, but we had a lot of fun with this dress up project. So gonna take you along with us. Let's go back in time. I'll show you a little thrifting footage of what we found, and then I'll show you the two dresses and the accessories that we're hoping to put them with, and then what they look like as my sister and I step back in time to wear these outfits. Let's dive in and I'll show you what we found. Oh my gosh, you guys, can you believe this dress? It's so cute. It's very much 1980s, but I really feel like it's 1980s does 1940s. I mean, look at those cute, slightly puffed sleeves. We got, little pleating detail in the shoulder and our waist, and then kind of the accordion pleats on the skirt. I don't find vintage 1980s very often. And then to find one that could go 1940s for an outfit, so excited. When my sister found this one, we knew we had to do something fun with this. So I'm gonna go through all of our vintage accessories and show you, hopefully, a very vintage outfit. Okay, are you guys seeing it? We're definitely busting out all the vintage accessories. We need to add some jewelry to this too, but I think we're going to take this 80s dress back in time a little bit. Let's take a look at our accessories up close. Well, first of all, let's see if we can find the tag for our dress. Aww. Alexis Petites. Very cute. We're machine washable and made in the USA. Very cool. Also love this print. It's very vintage to me, just to start with. And then, I can't believe it, but several months ago, I thrifted this hat. Isn't that amazing? It's such a cool shape. It does have the little strap. And here's our tag. Oops, we're getting our veil in the way here. Okay, if anybody knows anything about this, let me know. I haven't done any research. But to me, that tag looks more 1980s. So I'm kind of wondering if it's, you know, maybe an 80s hat that's in a vintage style, or maybe it was resold at a vintage store. They put a new tag on it. Not totally sure. Of course, we got to bring in our vintage handbag. I love this one. I can actually fit my phone in it, which is unique. Also, I think we're going to need to bring in a black belt. We'll see if this guy fits. The dress had little belt loops, but no belt, sadly. Oh my gosh, I don't think I've ever gotten a chance to wear these red gloves. I think they were a gift from a friend. And maybe they're driving gloves? I don't know, but they're fun. And then for our vintage-inspired shoes, got these cute ones from Clark's. Super comfortable, actually. When I find a retro heel there, I get very excited. So, I think those are gonna be cute. Oh my gosh, you guys, do you remember this dress? It's so cute. It even has this little belt, almost looks Bakelite. Well, turns out my co-conspirator, my sister, fits the dress perfectly. So thankfully she's come to visit. We're going to put some outfits together. Let's take a look at our accessories a little closer. Okay, so here is our dress tag. Karen Stevens by Steven Stola. Very interesting. If anybody knows anything about the brand, leave me a comment and let me know. We're going to be pairing it with some of my favorite vintage accessories. We may not be period accurate, but we'll definitely be going for period inspired. Love the little daisy on there. Hopefully coordinating with our little daisy print. I think my friend Stormy sent me that hat. Thank you, Stormy. I love it. I've worn it a few times. Oh, we've got some vintage gloves. These are from my grandma. Thanks, Emma. I love those. All right, we're gonna go a little springy with our basket bag as well. And then my sister's got some cute retro heels to go with our outfit. I think this is gonna be so cute. Well, you guys, we're busy doing hair and makeup and finding some jewelry. Of course, if you guys get behind busting out your vintage finery every now and then, give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more fun stuff from Partners in Craft. You never know what vintagey fabulousness we're up to around here. So hope you come along for more adventures. Oh, we're going to take you along for our adventure today and show you how these outfits look.